So Jack, any improvements in service about the 2021 Dream Rice Color Sorter?
Of course. In 2020, we relied on Meyer Global Service Network and respond to the customer service in a timely manner. While in 2021, we will continue to strengthen localized service network. Also, we will respond to the customer demands in real time with the remote service function of Meyer Care. Meyer Remote Service can help customer resolve the general after-sales service problem in a timely manner with Meyer Care softwares. Also, it is very simplified for customers to use.
So Jack, the remote service sounds pretty cool, but what about the signal in different cities?
Yeah, that is the problem, but we have the solution. We took this into the consideration when making the design. So we are planning to gradually establish localized server around all over the world with the development of overseas officers. Thus, it will deliver fast and stable service to all local customers. So also, we will gradually build localized service team to strengthen the efficiency of communication with our customers.
Jack, is it available to each customer?
Yes. Over 60,000 Meyer Color Sorters has been successfully installed all over the world. In order to offer better service, Meyer will build its membership system based on all the website, and Meyer membership will enjoy this kind of service.
So how to get this service?
So for example, Daniel, I just take Meyer Indian website as an example. So firstly, we enter the Meyer Indian net website, find the membership modular, follow the steps and complete the registrations. Then you can start the remote service.
Wow, it sounds really convenient. So in conclusion, the 2021 Dream Rice Color Sorter features new interface which is simple and easy to use. And the second, the target positioning system can bring greater throughput, higher accuracy, and lower losses. Third, as long as you register as a member on Meyer websites, you can enjoy timely and convenient after-sales service.
We are going to bring you something new, something to connect your machines with Meyer Service Center. I understand the COVID-19 is still spreading all over the world, and we want your machines can connect with us and we can ensure your production at any time, anywhere. Today, we are going to bring you the 2021 Dream along with the latest remote online service. Here, we invite our service director, Mr. Chuang. Hello, Chuang.
Hi, Jack.
So, Chuang, now we see the 2021 Dream with the latest the interface for operation. It's very simple. Can we start the remote online service?
Yes, Jack.
So first I want to see the ejector's working status. Can we have the ejector self-check?
Sure.
Okay, then we start. Okay, great. Next, I want to check the sensitivities. I need your help to set the proper parameters. So can we increase the choky percentage?
Yes.
Oh, the value is also changed. Great. Okay, next I want to check the output, the setting. I need to give the proper the output setting about my machine.
Okay, let me show you.
Well, here we can see, okay, this is 8-chute machine. You can set all the parameters, the output of each of the chute. Can we show primary, secondary, tertiary, and the fourth part together?
Yes.
Wow, it's really great. Now I want to see the real-time output. Okay, in this real output, we also can see the PID position control. Wow, it's very useful. By using the PID, we can have the materials very evenly. Chuang, it seems very easy to get the easy connection.
Yes, Jack, right.
Thank you for Mr. Chuang. He gave a very brief introduction about the Meyer latest online remote service. I will tell you one thing. The easy way to apply for the online service. Firstly, go to Meyer official website and create your new account, enter your basic information. But one thing is very important, you have to put the correct machine serial number. So we will give the online service. How can we get the easy connection with the correct machine serial number? First, you go to the status, network, WeChat. Here it will show your machine serial number. Remember, get the correct machine serial number, get the timely online service. Thank you.